tears, pain. You never left my side, you remained the same. And I'm so glad that you love me.
Hey Gems, it's Tayshawn Miller, and I'm super excited today to give you guys this wonderful update on my weight loss waist beads. But before I start, I know y'all looking at my hair like, what the heck is going on with her hair? What happened to her hair? Why is it so short? So about probably 5 or 6 weeks ago, for those of you who know that I have alopecia, because alopecia don't have me, period. But yeah, I have alopecia in the middle of my head, and sometimes it just decides to just lay out, just fall out in the spirit, and I don't know what be going on. I can't get mad at it, you know what I'm saying? As long as it grow back, I'm good. And as long as I still have hair on my head, I'm definitely grateful. So with that being said, it does come out on a constant, and I grow it back, I thicken it, and even if the spot don't grow fully back, it grows enough to where it's not even noticeable. Where? So yeah, so if you're interested in my growth oil, I'll drop the link for my Instagram where it's sold at in the description box. But for the part that you guys are here for, which is my update, so today is the 31st day. So actually 31 days ago, I decided to give myself a challenge, a 60-day challenge with my daughter's weight loss waist beads to see if, number one, I could actually lose weight. Number two, if I can snatch my waist, because I don't know where she went. Like, she left a long time ago. She never came back, so I don't know where she at, whatever. So I'm just trying to see if I can get her to come back. And the third thing, definitely I wanted to learn was some discipline as far as eating and binge eating and things like that, because sometimes I'll do that. Sometimes I'll just eat the whole pot, man. I eat the whole complex. I eat the whole house. I eat everything. That's just me, period. That's just what I do. And so I went ahead and got wasted on July the 22nd. Yes, I got wasted July the 22nd. But I think I didn't put my video up to the 23rd or the 24th. However, the point is I got wasted on the 22nd, okay? So with that being said, the first 2 nights was very uncomfortable for me. Yes, ma'am, they were uncomfortable. Like, I wanted to cut the beads off because they are permanent. The only way to remove them is by cutting them off. Not unless you get the fashion waist beads or the ones with an elastic band. We do those, but those are not our weight loss waist beads. So, and I'm sorry I'm talking really fast, y'all, but I'm trying to get this video because I have to go pick up my daughter from school because she got some orders she got to fill. Okay, so where was I? Oh yeah, so when I originally put them on, I was weighing, I think, 219.5. Throughout the course, I got down within a matter of, I think it was like 7 days or 8 days. I don't know. I don't have my chart in front of me. I don't have all that information, but I do know I ended up being 213. And then I gained some weight because I got a little, I won't say depressed, but I got a little bothered by some things, and so I fell off. And for those of you who want to know, like, did I actually change my eating habit? No. For what? Why? No, I'm not doing that. I love pizza. Even though I'm lactose intolerant, I love ice cream. I love, sweets and stuff like that. Now, I did cut back with my sweets. As far as sugar goes, I stopped having white sugar altogether, and I just started having brown sugar. But I still eat fast food, baby. I still eat pizza, I still eat Chinese, I still eat fried foods, fried shrimp, fried chicken, fried boots, whatever fried. If it's good, I'm eating it fried, whatever. You know what I mean? So, did I just say fried boots? Sis, I really gotta slow down. But anyways, so yeah, so I gained weight. So then I ended up, I think I gained like about 4 pounds. And I was so pissed off at myself. I was just so discouraged. I just wanted to cut the beads off again. I was just like, you know what? Forget these beads. Then I thought about it, and I was like, you know what? Nope. these bees are gonna teach me discipline, you know what I mean? And then I thought about it, and I was like, God don't quit. He don't give up on me. Why am I giving up on my bees? So I was like, you know what, sis, you're gonna stay in this race, and you're gonna keep losing this weight, and you may go up and down, up and down, up and down, but hey, it's all good. You still gonna be good. Just like Donnie McClurkin say, we fall down, but we get up. Period, Pooh. You know what I'm saying? So I was upset with myself because I gained weight. I noticed a certain pair of clothes I put on was feeling a little snuggish around the waist area or whatever. And I was disappointed, but I was like, you know what? Okay, I'm not going to give up. Plus, I got people out here depending on my weight loss, because then that's going to make them feel like, okay, yes, I got to get in this game. I got to get in this race. I got to lose this weight as well. People who already purchased, you know, they inbox me for encouragement when they feel like taking their beads off and stuff like that. So I was like, you know what? I have to be an advocate for those of us who are trying to find our waist that has been lost for some years, because Lord knows my waist been lost. So as of today, since I've had my waist beads on, I have lost 12 pounds. Now, for 31 days, to me, that's a lot, because I haven't done any exercising. I ended my gym membership that I had, which was another reason why I wanted to do my waist beads. So 12 pounds for somebody who's still eating very unhealthy, to me, I don't know about anybody else, but to me, is absolutely amazing. It's really, really good. And for those of you who are wondering, yes, I am going to stand up and show y'all my results. I am, because I'm proud of myself. I'm happy. If I could just find something to help get rid of the y'all, I'll be a millionaire. The minute I find something to snatch these arms, baby, I'm letting y'all know. Trust and believe that. I'm letting y'all know. Straight up. Okay. So, a little bit about her business. She sells weight loss waist beads in standard size and in plus size. Wait a minute, am I doing a video for her? Like, is she paying me to do this video? Nah, sis, I'm gonna need sis to give me something, because I'm not promoting nothing for free. Sis gonna have to cut me a little check. Anyway, so she does the weight loss waist beads, which are the ones that I have installed. She does fashion waist beads, which I have on 2 pair of those right now. And her fashion waist beads, she used to do the elastic in the very beginning, which I have on a pair, and I'm gonna tell you why I don't like those, so we don't do those anymore. She just does the fashion ones, which comes with a clasp. I'll show you in a minute. Showed you already, but I'll show you guys again for those who haven't seen my previous video. And excuse me, I'm sorry, y'all. The weight loss waist beads, you know, they come with the string, and of course you have to tie them on. I'll link my video so you can see what to do with that. Those are permanent, because the only way you can remove them, 2 snip, 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 snip. Okay, so what else did I want to tell you guys? I think that's about all as far as my eating goes. I like I said, I haven't changed anything, and honestly, I'm being so honest, y'all. My fat behind ain't get up and do nothing. The only exercise I get is going up and down the stairs to the refrigerator. Period. That's the only exercise I'm getting right now. And I know I need to do better. And y'all just continue to pray for me, please. Because for right now, that's the only exercise I'm going to get, is to walk up and down these stairs. Like now, when I'm getting ready to walk up and down the stairs to go pick her up from school, that's when I am going to get my exercise, to walk down them stairs and to walk back up. Okay? So, this morning, and what prompted me to do this video is because this morning I put on my jeans, and I was like, sis, the last time you had these jeans on, you had to, like, I didn't struggle, but you know when you buckle your jeans, when you button them, they're tight and you don't have room to, like, put your hand in there. Like, they were tight. And I was just like, I was a little disappointed, but I was like, hey, you know, you fat, girl. You've been fat for a while. You know you need to accept that you fat, period. That's what it is. So what happened was, when I put on my jeans, I was like, sis, did you button your jeans? And myself was like, sis, the jeans button, you just got that much room. I was like, yes, yes, baby, period. I was so happy. And I was like, okay, so we need to go ahead and get on the scale, see what we looking like, and we need to do a motivational video for those who have on their waist beads from my daughter or whatever, so that they can, you know, get this encouragement. Boo, get this encouragement. Take it. So, I'm gonna go ahead and stand up, and I'm going to try to do the side by side with my original video from 31 days ago. If I can't do it, then guess what? You go to my video, you take a screenshot, from this one, and you turn yourself around, you do the hokey pokey. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, you take a screenshot from that video, take one from this one, and compare it yourself, sis, because I ain't got time to be trying to try to coax people into believing in this and this. Like, I ain't got time for all that. So, you know, if I can do it, if I haven't deleted the video and it's still in my camera roll, I have no problem with doing a side by side. Okay, guys. And if I can't do a side by side, again, it is what it is. You can see the results for yourself. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so here we are. Here are my jeans, where I fully can put my two hands all the way in the front here. This is the side. This is where I have about this much room here. Okay, here is the back, the room I have there. Now, originally these pants fit me like this. So this is what I have. This is what they look like on me prior to me losing the weight. Okay, so I have all of this, and this is why I thought I didn't have them fastened, because I have that much room in them. Okay, so I'm gonna come up so you can see here. Okay, these are the elastic ones that I was telling you guys about that we first started doing. I don't like them at all. They pinch a lot, and I don't like how the elastic starts to weigh out and get super baggy, so I don't like that. These are my original beads, y'all. The ones that were all the way up here when I first put them on. Look at the room I have in them. These are they. Okay, let me let you see so you can see. These are they. Y'all remember the bruising and stuff I had, which is going away. Okay, so they can come all the way down here now to my navel. These are some of her fashion waist beads. They come with charms, however you want them made. Okay, and like I said, they come with a I'm trying to show you guys. Here it is. Okay, so where you can take them on and off. Sorry, y'all, my stomach growling because I am hungry. So I'm getting ready to exercise and go down the stairs to go get my food. So here's where I'm going to try to do the comparison. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to or not, but okay. So, hey guys, super excited. It's about to rain outside, so I'm losing my sunlight. Once again, if you guys want to order waist beads, I'll put my daughter's information in my description box, so you can just click the link. You have to DM her, and as of now, we're only taking Cash App. We do take PayPal, but you'll have to ask me about that because that's just not an option for everyone, period. And I think that's about it. That's all. Again, I'm on a 60-day journey. Today is day 31, so I'm super excited about the rest of my days. I'm sure it's going to be some up and down days. It's going to be some good and some bad days. That's what actually makes it really amazing, to know that you don't give up and you keep pushing. That's like the best part of it, to know that you didn't quit and you get to see your prize. At the end, you get to see your weight loss. And I definitely like to feel the beads move up and down, especially when I gain weight and they go up, and I'll be like, oh, you know what, girl, tomorrow you having a salad all day. So, you know, it just teaches myself the discipline, and I really like it. It's a very, very good experience. And I think that's about all. I'll be back at the end of my 29 days. Yes, I'll be back at the end of my 29 days to show you guys exactly what I've lost total, how I look. I'm hoping, and I'm praying my goal is at least 15 to 20 pounds, at least. Like, that's what I want, 15 to 20 pounds. And I know I can do it with God. I know I can do it when I put my mind to it. All that good stuff. So, yeah, that's about all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Once again, if you want to order any of my hair growth oil, I'll actually drop my Instagram as well. You just DM me. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put a little picture right here of what my hair looked like when I first cut it, so you guys can see within this time frame how much growth I have gotten. So yeah, it's crazy, but it's definitely a blessing. All right, see you guys in my next video. Love you.